The event was a resounding success. यह आयोजन पूरी तरह से सफल रहा. The event was a resounding success. The proposal met with unanimous approval. प्रस्ताव को सर्वसम्मति से सहमति मिली. The proposal met with unanimous approval. His performance exceeded all expectations. उसका प्रदर्शन सभी अपेक्षाओं से ऊपर था. His performance exceeded all expectations. Her creativity knows no bounds. उसकी रचनात्मकता की कोई सीमा नहीं है. Her creativity knows no bounds. She gave an impassioned speech about the importance of education. उसने शिक्षा के महत्व के बारे में एक जोशीला भाषण दिया. She gave an impassioned speech about the importance of education. The book was behind my comprehension. किताब मेरे समझ के बाहर थी. The book was behind my comprehension. Project was executed with precision and attention to detail. परियोजनाओं को सटीकता से और विस्तार पर ध्यान देते हुए लागू किया गया था. The project was executed with precision and attention to detail. His ideas are always thought-provoking. उसके विचार हमेशा विचारणीय होते हैं. His ideas are always thought-provoking. The landscape was breathtakingly beautiful. दृश्य आश्चर्यजनक रूप से सुंदर था. The landscape was breathtakingly beautiful. She acted with utmost sincerity in her work. उसने अपना काम पूरी ईमानदारी से किया. She acted with utmost sincerity in her work. The news came as complete shock to everyone. यह खबर सबके लिए पूरी तरह से हैरान कर देने वाली थी. The news came as complete shock to everyone. She has remarkable ability to impress others. उसके पास दूसरों को प्रभावित करने की अद्भुत क्षमता है. She has remarkable ability to impress others. Professor's explanation was both clear and concise. प्रोफेसर का व्याख्यान स्पष्ट और संक्षिप्त था. The professor's explanation was both clear and concise. His actions were in stark contrast to his words. उसके कामों में और उसके शब्दों में बिल्कुल विपरीतता थी. His actions were in stark contrast to his words. His work ethics is second to none. उसका काम बेहतरीन है, उससे बेहतर कोई नहीं. His work ethics is second to none. The decision was made after careful deliberation. निर्णय सावधानीपूर्वक विचार करने के बाद लिया गया था. The decision was made after careful deliberation. The meeting was absolutely waste of time. बैठक समय की पूरी बर्बादी थी. The meeting was absolutely waste of time. His knowledge of the subject is unparalleled. उसके विषय का ज्ञान बेजोड़ है. His knowledge of the subject is unparalleled. He managed his personal and professional life with ease. उसने अपने व्यक्तिगत पेशेवर जिंदगी को आसानी से संतुलित किया. He managed his personal and professional life with ease. His explanation was both lucid and comprehensive. उसका व्याख्यान स्पष्ट और व्यापक था. His explanation was both lucid and comprehensive. She has an uncanny ability to read people's emotions. उसके पास लोगों की भावनाओं को पढ़ने की अजीब सी क्षमता है। She has an uncanny ability to read people's emotions. Her words resonated deeply with me. उसके शब्द मुझसे गहरे तक जुड़े हुए हैं। Her words resonated deeply with me. He faced the challenges with unwavering determination. उसने चुनौतियों का सामना दृढ़ संकल्प के साथ किया। She faced the challenges with unwavering determination. The artist's work speak volume about his talent. कलाकार का काम उसके प्रतिभा के बारे में बहुत कुछ कहता है। The artist's work speaks volume about his talent. इस वीडियो में इतना ही दोस्तों। अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब भी कीजिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।